Don't you wanna dance? Say you wanna dance. Don't you wanna dance with somebody who loves? Ladies, I wanna dance. Dark strikes upon the hour, and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I'm gonna run till now. It's my day that shows me how. When the night falls, my loneliness goes. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Somebody who loves me. Somebody to hold me in his arms. I need a man who'll take a chance on a love that lasts for the rest of us. When the night falls, my lonely heart cries. With somebody, I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. Wanna dance with somebody who loves me. Come on, dance. Come on, with somebody. Don't you wanna dance? Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. You guys ready for this? Let's go! Don't you wanna dance? Say you wanna dance. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Say you wanna dance. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? And say you wanna dance. Come on. With somebody who loves me. Put your hands together. With somebody. I know you wanna dance with me. I wanna feel the heat. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance.
Mula kaninang opening sa parokya ni Edgar hanggang ngayon, mukhang kailangan na talaga maningil tayo ng ticket. Grabe, concert na concert ang datingan. Coaches, saan lupalop kayo dinala ng performance na yun? Coach Julie,
Dinala kami sa outer space.
di ba?
Oo, kasi wala kompletos Ricardos Alam mo, ang cute ninyo, napaka-versatile ninyo, ang gaganda ninyo, ang gaganda ng boses no, ang galing-galing nyo sumayaw, total package. Kung may concert kayo, magbabayad ako ng ticket front row. Good job, girls. Galing.
Coach Bill,
Alam mo, parang may Pussycat Dolls na professional group na ang dating nyo. Parang kulang na lang, alam mo yung promotion, music video, yun na lang. Kulang na lang makita ng lahat na nasa tour na pala kayo, di ba? So, good job. Congratulations.
Thank you po, Coach.
Coach Tel,
Actually, hindi nyo lang kami dinala somewhere Ginate-keep nyo rin kami. Parang sabi nyo sa amin, huwag kayo tumingin sa iba, kami lang panoorin nyo. Bukod sa napakaganda ng performance nyo, hindi rin naman matatago na napakaganda nyo rin tonight. So, we're very... ba't kayo nagre-react? Ba't kayo nagre-react? Totoo naman nag-effort sila mag-ayos, mag-makeup. Dapat lang, i-ano natin sila, isabihin natin yung efforts nila. Napakaganda nyo tonight. You girls look so stunning tonight.
Stel, nagsiselos yung 18. Nagsiselos sila.
Wala tayong magagawa, di naman sila nag-perform
Pero hindi naman, pero Stella, ang tanong dito, Julie, hindi ka ba nagsiselos kasi kanina pa nakatingin si Rayber dun
Ayun!
Hindi.
Ray! What's up, Ray?
Okay lang.
Hindi grupo ng jowa mo yan! Ikaw palakpakan ng palakpak, 8 post dito.
Coach Chito.
Sobrang proud ako. Alam nyo, yan yung sinasabi ko, just enjoy and kita mo naman yung reaction ng mga tao. Talaga lahat nakangiti nag-enjoy. And that's what makes a performer effective talaga. Sobrang galing nyo. And just so proud. Mga pros talaga kayo. Professional. Congrats.